you very much for watching EES Cable's special program. I'm your host, Carrie. Today, we will take a deep dive into one of EES Cable core products, power cable. In the following programs, we will introduce you to various aspects of power cables, including its components, types, printing products, process, and quality control information. As part of EES Cable, we are committed to providing you with the highest quality power cable products and ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality and safety requirements. Whether you are a professional, engineer, buyer, or ordinary user, we believe this program will provide you with valuable information to help you better understand the information to power cables and choose products that suit your needs. Next, please join us to learn more about EES Cable's power cable products and understand the excellence and quality assurance in its production process. Stay tuned. As a key electrical equipment, power cables are mainly composed of conductors, insulation materials, and outsheaths. Conductors are usually made of materials such as copper or aluminum and are used to carry electrical current. Insulation covers the conductors to prevent current leakage and protect personnel and equipment from electric shock. And outsheaths provide additional protection against damage and chemical corrosion. Power cables usually follow standards such as EEC and EES. In terms of application, power cables are widely used in power distribution systems, inside buildings, underground power transmission systems, and submarine power transmission projects. In addition, they are also used in transportation systems, industrial equipment power supply, renewable energy projects, and some special environment, such as chemical plants and mines. Power cables play a vital role in modern social hierarchy, and their design to selection must take into account factors such as safety, reliability, and environmental adaptability. Next, let's take a closer look at the composition of power cables. We will take a deep look at the composition of power cables. Simply put, the structure of power cables from the inside to the outside is conductor, insulation, and sheath. Now, let's look at this cable. The first column, conductor, copper or aluminum. The second is insulation, PVC or XLPE. The third column, PVC. The first row, copper, PVC, PVC, cable is NYY. The second row, aluminum, PVC, PVC, cable is NYY. The third row, copper, XLPE, PVC, N2XY. The fourth row, aluminum, XLPE, PVC, cable is Na2XY. Through this cable, we can clearly understand the different types of low-voltage power cables, as well as the materials and model standards they use. This information will help you better choose the power cable product that suits your needs. Now, let's take a look at our sample. The first is Na2XY, which is aluminum conductor, XLPE, insulation, PVC power cable. Next, let's look at this power cable. What is this? There are a lot of conductors around it and they are steel wire armored SWA. The other is the power cable with steel type armored STA. This wire and chip provide additional mechanical protection and tensile strength and are designed to protect the cable's conductors and insulation from mechanical damage, while protecting against liquid penetration and electromagnetic interference. In addition to SWA and STA, power cables can also have copper wire shielding (SWS) or copper tape shielding (STS). CWS and STS provide electromagnetic shielding to prevent signal interference in the cable or external interference. Choosing SWA, STA, SWS, or STS depends on your specific needs. At EES Cable, we offer a wide range of power cables to suit your needs, including different voltage levels, from low voltage to medium voltage to high voltage. Low voltage power cables are suitable for voltage levels for 1000 volts and below. Medium voltage power cables are usually between 1000 and 35 kV, and high voltage power cables are usually over 35 kV and can reach hundreds of kV or even higher. Let's take a look at the printing details of power cables. Usually the printing includes the supplier's names, such as China EES cable, the cable name such as power cable, followed by the voltage level and components. The components usually include conductors, insulation, sheeting or armor, and outer sheaths, such as copper, XLPE, CSW, PVC. Look like this sample. In addition, it also includes size, production year, and continuous meter. These printing are for easy identification and tracking of cable information to ensure safe and reliable use. Now let us take you into the world of cable manufacturing. First, we have to prepare the materials. Choosing materials is not a simple matter. We need to select the highest quality copper or aluminum conductors, the suitable insulation materials such as PVC or XLPE. Once the materials arrive, of course we cannot take it lightly and make sure that every inch of the material meets the quality requirements. The copper or aluminum conductor is then passed through an extruder and through the series of processes until it takes on its familiar shape and is covered with a suitable insulating material. Wow, here comes the fun part. Some cables require shielding to protect the signal from electromagnetic interference. This requires adding layer of constructive material around the insulated conductor to ensure the stability of signal transmission. The conductors, fillers, and any shielding are then assembled as required and carefully matched to ensure each cable performs its function perfectly. Of course, don't forget that our cables also need an outer sheath, which not only provides additional mechanical protection, but also enhances the insulation effects. This outer sheath is the last line of defenses to ensure the safety of the cable. Throughout the production process, we conduct continuous quality tests to ensure that each cable meets strict quality standards. Whether it is electrical strength or insulation testing, we go out the quality test. We can't ensure that every cable is perfect. Finally, when all the processes are completed, the cables are cut cut to the required length, coiled and ready to be shipped anywhere. This is our test report for power cables. The testing program color of insulated core inspected, minimum number of individual lengths of conductor, monofilament diameter, conductor DC resistance, average thickness of insolution, thickness of insolution at season's point, elongation and insulating load, rate of performance deformation of insulation after cooling, direction of cable formation, nominal thickness of inner protection, minimum thickness of inter protection, steel wire armored, wire diameter, number of wires, sheath color, average thickness of the sheath, thickness of sheath at thinnest point, approximate outer diameter of the cable. AC voltage test, surface making of finished cables, distance between sets. Conclusion. If you need it, we have a third-party agency that will cooperate with specially to conduct testing. Thank you for watching this program about power cables. If you are interested in the power cables we display, need a quotation or have any other needs, please feel free to contact us. Our team is always ready and willing to provide you with the support and service you need. Whether you need a quotation for power cables or other products, we will do our best to meet your needs and provide you with the best solution. Meanwhile, please follow us social media. Through our social platforms, you can always learn about the latest product information, industry trends, and professional knowledge sharing. Stay connected with us and you will always be at forefront of the industry. Thank you again for watching and supporting us. We look forward to seeing you again in the next show. Bye.